So here are the 4 techniques and steps to improve your drawings arts. First of all are those wrinkle parts. So these techniques are especially used while making the old man pictures, old women's, old people's pictures, sketches. So I'm gonna teach you on how to do this technique right now. So grab your 4B pencil or charcoal pencil, then start to draw the straight line or curly lines. So after that I'm going to use my mechanical pencil and just touch the outer lines and do some shading just like that. Then I'll use my brush to blend the parts properly. After that I'm gonna use the eraser and then erase the parts in the upper areas of the dark parts and the shadings. Then I'm gonna create some few lines. So in step 2 I'm gonna teach you guys on how to draw skin pores. So this technique is very useful and used in many drawing. So I'm gonna explain it to you very carefully. So I'm using 2B pencil and I'm going to draw a few points, few random points and like circles with my pencils, 2B pencil, sorry. So after done with the pores circles, let's start to shade just like this. Just touch the paper gently, don't use too much first, otherwise it will look a big mess. So again let's use our eraser after done. Remember that shading is the main part. You just have to keep shading until it look better, it look good. So not only sketch but as you can see, you can also use it in paintings just like this. It's just the same technique but with color. First you use black, then white, and just set it properly. It is using many techniques. After you learn this technique you can use it in many drawings, improve your drawing, and I'm sure of it. So step 3, it's all about the background. So when you do the background part, you need a lot of color techniques and experience. In order to do the background you need a little bit of white color and then white charcoal. So let me demonstrate you how to do that. Here is a Guisan painting that I have done years ago, many years ago, maybe 2 years ago. So I'm gonna take out my white charcoal and then rub it in my paper. After that it's easy, I'm gonna use my white gel pen. You can also use your painting color if you have one, like for example white painting color or blue. Any color can be used in this technique as long as you use it properly. So just like that our background is done. Just in few seconds you can use this technique to do your background. It's hatching and cross hatching. It may look like a simple drawing technique but it's one of the hardest technique out there. Some of people can do this so easily but some of them can't. So let's begin. So let's use this part as a practice. I'm gonna show you guys how to do the hatching. So you need a little bit of speed. Remember that you need a mechanical pencil or a sharp pencil to do the hatching technique, and just like this, speed up a little bit and then do the process just like this. It's used in clothes and faces, then in still life drawings, and many things in many drawings. So after hatching, I'm gonna use my brush to blend the lower area just like this, and it will look a bit of realistic. So yeah, do all those 4 steps to make your art better. It's definitely gonna help you, I'm sure of it. And thank you for watching this video. Hope you guys like it and hope it will be useful for you. Have a good day.